Good morning students. Welcome to Diamond Group of Institutions KCET online classes. Today we discuss the chapter determinants. See first problem. Let A equal to 3 by 3 matrix 1 sin theta 1 sin theta 1 sin theta minus 1 minus sin theta 1 where 0 is less than or equal to theta less than or equal to 2 pi. Then option A mod A equal to 0, option B mod A belongs to open interval 2 comma infinitive, option C mod A belongs to open interval 2 comma 4, mod A belongs to closed interval 2 comma 4. So you had to find out det A. So mod A equal to what here? 1 minor, first write down 1 into what is the 1 minor? 1 sin theta minus sin theta 1, that's why 1 plus sin square theta. Next this is plus minus plus, so minus sin theta plus sin theta plus 1 of sin square theta plus 1, so that equal to here sin theta cancel, here remaining is 1 plus sin square theta, here also remaining is 1 plus sin square theta, so 2 into 1 plus sin square theta, this is the mod A value. Here theta equal to 0, suppose if theta equal to 0, what you get? Mod A equal to 2 only, because sin 0 is 0, so 2 into 1 is 2 only. So if theta equal to pi by 2, mod A equal to what? 2 into 1 plus 1 equal to 4. Therefore mod A belongs to closed interval 2 comma 4. So next problem. If A is on invertible matrix of order 2 by 2, invertible matrix of order 2 by 2. Invertible matrix means A inverse exists. That means det A is not equal to 0 compulsory. So then det of A inverse is equal to option A det A, option B 1 by det A, option C 1, option D 0. So this is a standard result. Det of A inverse mod A inverse equal to 1 by mod A. So option B. Next, let A be a square matrix of order 3 by 3. Order is 3 by 3. Then modulus of k into A equal to. So we have the formula modulus of k power n into A equal to k power n into mod A. Here n indicates order of the square matrix. So here calculating what? Modulus of Ka. So modulus of Ka is nothing but here n value how much? 3. So n value 3 substitute. What you get? K cube into mod A. So that's why option is C. Next problem. If area of the triangle is 35 square units with vertices 2 comma minus 6, 5 comma 4 and k comma, then k equal to option A 12, option B minus 2, option C minus 12 comma minus 2, option D 12 comma minus 2. So what is the area of the triangle? Delta equal to 1 by 2 modulus of x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. So first vertex free tab x1 y1, second vertex free tab x2 y2, third vertex free tab x3 y3. These values substitute in the formula, and also area is given 35, delta equal to 35. So 35 equal to 1 by 2 modulus of 2 minus 6 1, 5 4 1, k 4 1. Next 2 bring this side, 35 into 2 is 70 equal to modulus of 2 of 4 minus 4 plus 6 of 5 minus k plus 1 of 20 minus 40. So here 4 4 cancel. So if you remove the modulus you get plus or minus. So plus or minus 70 equal to 6 into 5 30, 6 into minus k minus 6k plus 20 minus 4k. So plus or minus 70 equal to 30 plus 20 is 50, minus 6k minus 4k minus 10k. So first take plus condition, next take minus condition. Plus 70 equal to 50 minus 10k, otherwise minus 70 equal to 50 minus 10k. So here 10k equal to what? Minus 20, so k equal to minus 2. Here 10k equal to 120, k equal to 12. So answer is 12 comma minus 2. So option D is the right option. Next problem. Let f of t equal to the function f is in terms of t variable. So equal to determinant of cos t t1, 2 sin t t2t, sin t t. Then limit t tends to 0, f of t by t square equal to what? Option A 0, option B -1, option C 2, option D 3. First take the given function f of t equal to what? Cos t t1, 2 sin t t2t, sin t t. Calculate this determinant value. So first cos t of t square minus 2t square. Next minus t of 2t sin t minus 2t sin t plus 1 of 2t sin t minus t sin t. So t square minus 2t square is nothing but minus t square. So minus t square into cos t is minus t square cos t. Here 2t sin t cancel. That value is 0. Next here 2t sin t minus t sin t is nothing but t sin t. So what is f of t? F of t equal to minus t square cos t plus t sin t. Now substitute the limits. Limit t tends to 0, f of t by t square equal to limit t tends to 0. What is f of t? Minus t square cos t plus t sin t by t square. Separate the functions. What is the first function? Minus limit t tends to 0, t square into cos t by t square plus second function limit t tends to 0, t sin t by t square. So here t square cancel. If you apply the limit, what you get? T value is 0. So cos 0. So minus cos 0 is nothing but minus 1. Here t square cancel. What is the remaining? Limit t tends to 0, sin t by t. So already we have the formula in limits. Limit x tends to 0, sin x by x equal to 1. So that's why this value is 1. So cos 0 is 1. So minus 1 plus 1 is 0. So final option A. The maximum value of delta equal to determinant of 1 plus sin theta 1 plus cos theta 1 is, here theta is a real number. Option A 1 by 2, option B root 3 by 2, option C 1 root 2, option D 2 root 3 by 5. We have delta equal to what? Determinant of 1 plus sin theta 1 plus cos theta 1 cos. So how do these two elements change it to 0? These two elements are these two elements. Any two elements in the first row, otherwise third column. Any two elements change it to 0. How is it possible? So second row changes. Second row minus first row. 1 minus 1 0, there also 1 minus 1 0. Easy to calculate. So R2 changes, R2 minus R1. Similarly, R3 changes, R3 minus R1. So at that time also this element also changes to 0. So delta equal to 1 0 sin theta 0 cos theta 0 0. Calculate determinant now. Plus minus plus 1 of sin theta into 0 0 minus 0. Next minus 1 of 0 minus 0. Next plus 1 of 0 minus sin theta cos theta minus 0. So this equal to what you get? Delta equal to sin theta into cos theta, because this is the modulus only. So sin theta cos theta, delta equal to sin theta cos theta. So if you multiply 2 here, what you get? 2 sin theta cos theta equal to sin 2 theta. That's why 2 multiply and divide. So 1 by 2 of 2 sin theta cos theta is nothing but sin 2 theta. So sin 2 theta is maximum when 2 theta equal to pi by 2, because of sin 80 is 1. So maximum value is 1 by 2. Alternate, generally sin range is minus 1 to 1. Sin range is minus 1 to 1. So maximum value is 1 only. So that's why sin 2 theta maximum value is 1. So that's why 1 by 2 into 1 is 1 by 2. So option is A. Next problem. The value of the determinant A minus B, B plus C, A, B minus C, C plus A, B, C minus A plus B, C is option A cube plus B cube plus C cube, option B 3BC, option C A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC, option D none. So first take the given determinant. So in the given determinant, here B plus C. Second column, in the second column element, here B plus C, C C plus A plus B. Third column element A, B, C. If you these elements add here, you get here A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C. That's why C2 changes C2 plus C3. Second column changes second column plus third column. So that equal to what you get? A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. Here A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C. A, B, C as this. So from the second column, A plus B plus C take common. So A plus B plus C common. What is the remaining? A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. 1, 1, 1, A, B, C. Again, in the third column A, B, C. In the first column A, B, C is here. So this is possible to remove by C1 changes C1 minus C3. C1 changes C1 minus C3. At that time this A, B, C eliminates. So what you get? A plus B plus C into determinant of minus B minus C minus A. 1, 1, 1, A, B, C. Now calculate this determinant value. Plus minus plus. A plus B plus C into minus B of C minus B minus 1 of minus C square plus AB plus A of minus C plus A. So A plus B plus C of minus BC plus B square plus C square minus AB minus AC plus A square. So this equal to A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus AC. This multiplication is nothing but A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC. So option is C. Next problem. If determinant of P, Q minus Y, R minus Z, P minus Q, Q, R minus Z, P minus X, Q minus Y, R equal to 0. Then find out P by X plus Q by Y plus R by Z equal to option A 2, option B 1, option C 0, option D 4 P, Q, R. First take the given condition and apply the condition. First row changes R1 minus R2. Second row changes R2 minus R3. Then you get X minus Y 0, 0 Y minus Z, P minus Q, Q minus Y, R equal to 0. So calculate determinant plus minus plus X of YR plus Z into Q minus Y. So ZQ minus ZY plus Y into 0 plus Z of P minus X. Z of P minus X is nothing but ZP minus ZX. Plus this term is always 0 equal to 0. So X multiply inside XYR plus XZQ minus XYZ plus Y multiplication YZP minus XYZ. Minus XYZ is minus 2XYZ. So 2XYZ being this side, right side, that is changed to positive 2XYZ. Left side value XYR plus YZP plus ZXQ. So both sides divided by XYZ. If you divide it by XYZ, what you get? Here R by Z, here P by X, here Q by Y. You find out this value only, P by X plus Q by Y plus R by Z. This equal to what? You get 2. So option is A. Next problem. If omega is an imaginary cube root of unity, that meaning is omega cube equal to 1. So, and one more condition, 1 plus omega square equal to 0 also. So, now calculate the value of determinant of 1 plus omega square minus omega, 1 plus omega square omega minus omega square plus omega minus omega square equal to what? Option A 0, option B 2 omega, option C 2 omega square, option D minus 3 omega square. So see the solution. First take the given determinant value. So here 1 plus omega is there, here omega square is there. If you add here you get 1 plus omega square. That value will change it to 0. That's why C1 changes C1 plus C2. So then what you get? First column will change into 1 plus omega square, 1 plus omega square. Here omega adding here you get omega square plus 2 omega. So second column, third column as it is. So next step, we have the condition 1 plus omega square is 0. That's why this element 0, this element also 0. So what about this element 2 omega plus omega square? 2 omega plus omega square can be written as omega plus omega plus omega square. So omega plus omega square is nothing but -1. That's why this value changes to omega -1. So 2 omega plus omega square value omega -1. So second column, third column as this. So now calculate the determinant value. These two elements are 0. That's why omega -1 minor is what? Omega square into minus omega square minus omega into minus omega. So that is nothing but omega -1 into minus omega 4 plus omega square. So this is equal to omega -1 into minus omega. Because of omega 4 can be written as omega cube into omega. Omega cube is 1. So 1 into omega is omega. So minus omega plus omega square. So multiply omega into minus omega square. Omega into omega square, omega cube. Next to -1 into minus omega plus omega. Next to minus omega square. So minus omega square minus 2 omega square. Next to omega cube volume is 1. Next to omega. So next step, minus 2 omega square. 1 plus omega equal to what? According to this relation, 1 plus omega equal to minus omega square. So finally you get minus 3 omega square. Minus 3 omega square में option is D. Next problem. If A, B, C are non-zero real numbers, then the value of determinant of B square, C square, BC, B plus C, C square, A square, CA, C plus C, A square, B square, AB, A plus B. You have to find out this value, determinant value. So first to take the given determinant value. Here observe here BC is given, here CA, here AB. Here BC square, B square, C square, here BC. Here C square, S square, here CA. Here A square, B square, here AB. That's why here multiplied with first row multiplied with A, first row multiplied with A, second row multiplied with B, third row multiplied with C. At that time you get this is ABC, this is ABC, this is ABC, 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 ABC. Here this is changed to A B square C square, A square B C square, A square B square C. So first row multiplied with A, that's why dividing also. Second row multiplied with B, that's why dividing also. Third row multiplied with C, that's why dividing also. That's why outside is 1 by ABC. So in the next, from the first column ABC common, from the second column also ABC common. That's why outside is ABC into ABC by ABC. A1 ABC, ABC cancel. So determinant of BC, AC, AB 1 1 1. AB plus AC, BC plus AB, AC plus BC. Next, ABC of determinant of BC 1, AC 1, AB 1. So if BC is adding here, you get AB plus BC plus AC. If AC is adding here, AB plus BC plus AC. AB is adding here, you are getting AC plus BC plus AB. That's why 3 elements of C. So that's why you can do C3 changes, C3 plus C1. So all are equal to AB plus BC plus CA, AB plus BC plus CA, AB plus BC plus CA, third column elements. So take common this value. If you take common outside, what you get? ABC of AB plus BC plus CA of BC AC AB 1 1 1 1 1 1. In the determinants, any two rows or any two columns are same. That means identical. That determinant is 0. So these two, second column, third column is same. That's why the determinant value is 0. So final answer is 0. So option is A. Next, determinant of 77, 78, 79, 76, 75, 74, 75, 74, 73 equal to what? Option A 0, option B 130, option C 22, option D 5. So now take the given determinant. So C2 changes C2 minus C1, C3 changes C3 minus C1. What you get? 77, 76, 75. First column keep as this. Second column 78 minus 77 is 1. 75 minus 76 is minus 1. 74 minus 75 is minus 1. Next same third column 79 minus 77 is 2. 74 minus 76 is minus 2. 73 minus 75 is minus 2. From the third column 2 take common positive. From the third column. So 2 take common. So that equal to 2 into modulus of 77, 76, 75, 1 minus 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1 minus 1. Here second column, third column are identical. So its determinant value is 0. So 2 into 0 is 0. So option is A. Next problem. If 3n is a factor of the determinant of 1 1 1, nc1 n plus 3c1 n plus 6c1, nc2 n plus 3c2 n plus 6c2, then maximum value of n is option A 5, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. So first take the given determinant. What is the first row? 1 1 1 1 1 1. nc1 is nothing but n. n plus 3c1 is n plus 3, n plus 6c1 is n plus 6. nc2 is nothing but n into n minus 1 by 2. n plus 3c2 is nothing but n plus 3 into n plus 2 by 2. n plus 6c2 is nothing but n plus 6 n plus 5 by 2. So first do third column changes to third column minus second column. C3 changes C3 minus C2. So this equal to determinant of 1 n into n minus 1 by 2. 1 n plus 3 into n plus 2 by 2. Here C3 changes to C3 minus C2 means here 1 minus 1 is 0. So this element will change it to 0. Next step, n plus 6 minus n plus 3. Next to n plus 6 into n plus 5 by 2 minus n plus 3 into n plus 2 by 2. That is nothing but 3n plus 2. Now this element is 0. Next, how to change it to this element is also change it to 0. So second column minus first column. 1 minus 1, 0. So do that one. That equal to 1 n into n minus 1 by 2 as this. Now second column is changed. Second minus first. So 1 minus 1 0, n plus 3 minus 8 is 3. Next n plus 3 into n plus 2 by 2 minus n into n minus 1 by 2. That is nothing but 3n plus 3. Next third column keep as this 0, 3, 3n plus 2, 12. So now determinant plus minus plus. That means 1 minus is enough. So 1 of 3 into 3n plus 12 minus 3 into 3n plus 3. So that equal to 9n plus 36 minus 9n minus 9. 9n, 9n cancel. 36 minus 9 is 27. 27 is nothing but 3 cube. So n value is 3 only. So option is C. Next question. If A equal to modulus of x11 1h1 11x, B equal to modulus of x11x, then dA by dx equal to option A 3b plus 1, option B 3b, option C minus 3b, option D 1 minus 3b. So first you have to take the B value. So this problem repeated in 2013. So first you take the B. B equal to what? Determinant of x11x. So what about this determinant? X square minus 1. B equal to x square minus 1. So next we have A equal to what? A equal to so determinant of x11 1x1 1x. So this equal to what? Plus minus plus. X of x square minus 1 minus 1 of x minus 1 plus 1 of 1 minus x. So x cube minus x plus 1 plus 1 minus x. So this equal to x cube minus 3x plus 2. So what about its derivative? dA by dx. X cube derivative is 3x square minus 3. So this is nothing but 3 into x square minus 1. So x square minus 1 is nothing but b. So 3b. So option is B. Next problem. Determinant of sin alpha, sin beta, sin gamma. Cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma. Sin of alpha plus delta, sin of beta plus delta, sin of gamma plus delta equal to what? Option A 0, option B 1, option C 1 plus sin alpha, sin beta, sin gamma. Option D 1 minus of sin alpha minus sin beta minus sin delta, sin gamma minus sin alpha. So observe the first column and third column. Here, if you take delta equal to 0, this is changed into sin alpha, sin beta, sin gamma. Sin alpha, sin beta, sin gamma. That's why put delta equal to 0. At that time, first column is equivalent to third column. First and third columns are identical. In the determinants, any two rows are same or any two columns are same, its determinant value is 0. So that's why option is A. Next column. If omega is an imaginary cube root of unity, that means omega cube equal to 1. Then the value of determinant of 1 omega square 1 minus omega power 4, omega 1 1 plus omega power 5, 1 omega square is option A 4, option B omega square minus 4, option C omega square, option D 4. Now take the given determinant. So 1 omega square 1 minus omega power 4, omega 1 plus omega power 5, 1 omega square. So in the first column here omega 4 given. Omega power 4 is nothing but omega power 4 equal to omega cube into omega. Omega cube is 1 into omega equal to omega. In this place you can substitute omega. Next, in the second row, this is omega power 5. Omega power 5 is nothing but omega cube into omega square. This is equal to omega square. So omega square. Next, so now calculate the determinant. So 1 of omega square minus omega cube. Plus minus plus. Next, minus omega square of omega cube minus 1 minus omega square plus 1 minus omega of omega square minus 1. So this equal to omega square minus omega cube is 1 minus omega square of omega cube value 1. So 1 cancel here, minus omega square plus 1 minus omega into omega square minus 1. Next, omega square minus omega minus 1 minus omega square into minus omega square plus omega power 4. Next, 1 into omega square 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 minus omega into omega square minus omega cube minus omega into minus 1 is plus omega. Next, omega square minus omega minus 1 plus omega power 4 is nothing but omega. So omega plus omega square minus 1 omega cube value 1, so minus 1 plus omega. This is nothing but 2 omega square plus omega minus 3. So 2 omega square can be written as omega square plus omega square plus omega minus 3. So omega square plus omega is nothing but minus 1. Because of the condition omega square plus omega plus 1 equal to 0. From this relation omega square plus omega equal to minus 1. So you get omega square minus 4. So option is B. Next problem. If A equal to 3 by 3 matrix 2 lambda minus 3 0 2 5 1 1 3, then A inverse exists if option A lambda equal to 2, option B lambda equal to minus 2, option C lambda not equal to 2, option D none of these. For the matrix inverse exists only in det A is not equal to 0. If det A is not equal to 0, then inverse exists. Suppose if you take det A equal to 0, what you get here? Determinant of 2 lambda minus 3 0 2 5 1 1 3 equal to 0. So what is the 2 minor? 2 minor is 2 into 3 6 minus 1 into 5 6 minus 5. Next, this is plus 2 minus 6 plus. Next, minus lambda of 0 into 3 0 minus 5. Next, minus 3 of 0 minus 2 equal to 0. So 2 into 6 minus 5 is 1. So 2 into 1 is 2. Next, minus lambda into minus 5 is plus 5 lambda. Minus 3 into minus 2 is plus 6 equal to 0. Next, 6 plus 2 is 8. So 5 plus 8, 5 lambda plus 8 equal to 0. So lambda equal to what? Minus 8 by 5. So if you take determinant A is 0, then you get lambda equal to minus 8 by 5. Suppose if you take det A is not equal to 0, then you get lambda is not equal to minus 8 by 5. If lambda value is not equal to minus 8 by 5, at that time A inverse is exists. So that's why in the 4 options, what is the first option? Lambda equal to 2 given, next option lambda equal to minus 2 given, next to lambda not equal to 2 given. Lambda not equal to minus 8 by 5 not given. That's why you can choose the option D, none of these.